drag, DRAG.
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 Yeah,
Yes,
drag reducing agent.
HAZID.
So this is a more toxic one actually, DRA1.
I never heard this chemical. What is this DRA?
Sir, if it is for flow profile smoothness in the
It will
liquid,
decrease the viscosity.
viscosity, yes.
Oh, okay,
Yes,
for
yes.
viscosity. Okay.
Mm.
So this is a toxic, right?
Yeah, it's a toxic kind of.
But we are saying no additional concern, right?
No, you put no additional concern. So
Because the
you can
system
type.
will be same as existing, so no additional concern.
Yeah, you can.
Yeah, that's
And
no
then in the same thing, you can type HFE assessment was carried out. In the remarks, either put
HFE assessment. Okay.
in the
Remark.
remarks, you can. HFE assessment was carried out for chemical handling. At MPS and IPS.
MPS and IPS.
IPS, and it was concluded that existing philosophy to be existing manual handling, right? Existing manual handling philosophy to be adopted. We are now implemented
Correct?
with suitable additional safety measures. Refer to HFE report. You can put that report number. Refer to HFE study report. You can put
Correct.
you
Very
can
good.
add that number later. Okay.
Yeah,
So
sure.
you can copy these comments for all
Yeah.
these three chemicals.
Yes. Biocide.
And Chairman, just type no additional concerns, refer to remarks.
Yeah, sure. That's good idea.
Chairman, just check you have added scale because if you scale inhibitor is not there, only corrosion inhibitor is there, I think. Correct me.
Yeah, scale is not there. Okay.
That's